Well, the infrastructure sector being the backbone of the Indian economy, hopes are being pinned that there will be some sort of a booster shot given to this sector in the budget and propel the infrastructure development, which will of course go a long way in achieving the goal of the $5 trillion economy by 2025. Now, there are a number of expectations from the infrastructure sector, but firstly, in order to incentivize infrastructure products, the wish list is that the government the government should extend the lower corporate tax rate of 17.6%, which is presently available to new manufacturing companies, to the other companies and other infrastructure companies as well. That would be an incentive. Some sort of a framework as well for fiscal consolidation for the infrastructure companies, if that could be introduced, this would enable companies with multiple horizontal SPVs to set off the losses that they have incurred in one SPV against the profits earned by the other, and really ease pressure on the infrastructure players by lowering their tax costs significantly. The industry also expects that the budget should have some sort of a adequate financial outlay for infrastructure development due to its association with greater growth, generation of employment, as well as entrepreneurial opportunities. Some sort of a booster shot in order to allow for better outlay for infrastructure development is also needed. Creating new infrastructure, upgrading the existing infrastructure, that would be a key focus area from the industry. Sustainable development and infrastructure to be given due emphasis, that's one on the wish list, including clean, affordable power generation, redevelopment of railway stations, all of that being fast-tracked would be a big booster shot, as well as higher penetration of asset monetization options such as InvITs, securitization to actually be enabled. It's an opportune time as well, according to industry voices within the sector, to help to develop India as a global manufacturing hub, as now a lot of manufacturers are looking to move out of China. So they can focus on the ease of business, land-related approvals, clearances, labor legislations, etc. Essentially looking at a more holistic ecosystem for manufacturing in the country via the Make in India or the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative. An expectation also from the industry is the announcement of a Development Financing Institution, or DFI. It had been mentioned previously by the finance minister, but not too much has been done on this front. So the creation of the DFI will send out a very strong signal that the intentions for the government are there for efficient capital, infrastructure funding, etc. within the sector, and the DFI will have a larger risk appetite than banks as well, and will expedite infrastructure development and funding in the country as well. So really looking at this, a particular focus on efficient, fair support for execution of products is very crucial. Transparent, competitive public policies, fair, efficient solving of execution related issues for the infrastructure sector is something else that the industry has on the wish list for the Modi government.